Just want to talk about Nvidia. Nvidia stock is like crazy, going up and up and up, and a lot of times people believe that it would go down, but at the end it still go up. And now in this video, I just want to talk about its potential risk and did Nvidia solve the problem. So first, to me, Nvidia is definitely a buy. B-U-Y. You should definitely buy it. And some people said that, oh, it has so many problems. For example, one of the major market for Nvidia is the Chinese market. And because of the political conflict, Nvidia will very soon lose the big markets from China. Yes, it's true, but the point is Nvidia is now hedging against the risk. For example, now Nvidia is using India to replace the China market. India is a significantly strong growing economy. It's going like crazy because it now has the most population in the world, and moreover, the people in India is super young. They are very young. The average age, if I remember correctly, is around 26 years old. It's crazy, man. For such a large population with such a young age, it will create a potential significant market for the Nvidia chip product. So, if Nvidia successfully use India to replace the China market, Nvidia will have no weakness because first, Nvidia is a friend for US government, and now it has the giant market. In this case, it will not have political risk, and Nvidia has such a strong technology breakthrough, and for the coming 5 years there will be no company can be the competitor for Nvidia. So that's why I believe that Nvidia is a great stock to invest.